Hey everyone, it's Ocean Artistic, and in today's video I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of a studio vlog slash day in my life. Right now I'm opening up a couple of pen pal cards. This one is actually from December. I'm just getting around to it now because I recently moved. So thank you Naomi for that. And this one is from my other pen pal Norma. She always gives the cutest things, like this Christmas card. And oh, she even included some cute little recipes. I'm gonna definitely try the pumpkin chocolate chip cookie one. There's the letter. And then here's some of the little goodies that she included. I always love seeing what little goodies my pen pals include. One of the things I like to do is collect stamps from all of my pen pals. I've had so many pen pals from around the globe. Some countries that I've received stamps and letters from are Hong Kong, the USA, the Czech Republic, and the UK as well. And I'm just replying to Norma's letter here. I've only got one order to pack this week so far. I don't have any of that sticker sheet in stock though, so we have to print and create some more with my Cricut. I used to be obsessed with Animal Jam all the way back in 2014 when I joined the game for the first time. I recently started playing it again just to see if anything's changed, and no, it's all still the same. Although most players have moved to the mobile version, the Animal Jam Play Wild version. I have plans in the future to make more nostalgic 2000s games sticker sheets like this one. I will most likely do Webkins, Moshi Monsters, maybe a couple other ones like Neopet. I'm not sure, to be honest. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Well, speaking of nostalgic games, I think my all-time favorite when I was younger was Movie Star Planet. I spent like all day on that game. I used to be obsessed with making the movies and making my own stories, creating characters, using my friends' characters. Oh man, dressing up my avatar, that was also fun. But that's, I think, the same with Animal Jam too, is I really loved playing as my avatar, dressing it up, going around collecting things. Now that I think about it, I think it's just I really love collecting things and creating. Now that I'm finished cutting and printing out the sticker sheet, it's time to start packing it up. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited about it though. I love these ones. Here's my postage card that I always include. It has a little thank you note on the back with all my socials. I tried to put a cute little image on the front for you guys to use as maybe a poster or something. And each one comes with a handwritten, your name, handwritten. So Haley ordered the Animal Jam sticker sheet, and then I added in 2 freebies. These are some older designs I haven't been selling as well. This order is going to the USA, so I hope it arrives safely for you, Haley, if you're watching this. Now, on the topic of my shop, I just received a whole bunch of super cute little earrings with all of my designs on them. I am just doing a little bit of packaging here. Thought I'd do a package and yap, I guess? Is that what they say nowadays? I feel so old. But yeah, so this is my duck design. I thought that this would be a really cute one. The earrings did come out a little bit smaller than I requested at the manufacturer though, so I am a little bit upset about that. They were supposed to be at least 1 centimeter, and they are less than that, so they're very small. They're better for kids, but definitely anybody can still wear them. I mean, I think they're super cute anyways. And here's my Luna Moth design. I absolutely love Luna Moths. And then here is Derpy the tiger. This is such a time-consuming process because you have to individually punch each of the earrings through the backing cars and then put on the earring backs. And then you gotta put them in the plastic. But in the end, I think it looks really good all together. Here they are all finished. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I recently redid my wall. I hope you guys like that too. I'm obsessed with the art prints. Alright, bye!